How to fix YouTube mobile automatic pause on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix YouTube mobile automatic pause on Android phone. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, check internet connection. YouTube may pause videos if your internet connection is unstable or weak. Simply you have to switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network. If your Wi-Fi network is poor, you can switch to mobile data and fix the issue. The second step to follow is simply update the YouTube application. Open Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device. Tap the search icon and the search bar and type in YouTube. When you open and see update button, select the update button and then update it to the latest version. The third step to follow is simply clearing the YouTube cache and data. Tap and hold YouTube app and the eye icon. This will let you access to the app info section. Select storage uses and tap clear cache. Once you do that, you need to disable the data saver mode. For that, you can open the settings on your device and then select network and internet or mobile network as well. Here you can select data saver and then turn off data saver. Lastly, if it is possible, you can reinstall the YouTube application, and then by uninstalling you can reinstall app from the Google Play Store. By following all this step, you should be able to fix the issue of YouTube automatically pausing on your Android device. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.